You can't make it? No sweat. It's gonna be okay. No sweat. Hi, friend. Welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethelyn. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the American English expression, no sweat. Now, in the first example, I said, you can't make it? No sweat. And in the second example, I'm basically just like, it's okay, no problem, no sweat. Well, first of all, what does it mean? It means no problem, no big deal, right? So when someone tells you no sweat, they're responding to a situation that perhaps you think is going to be an issue, but they're just like, it's okay. It's no biggie, right? That's another alternative. It's an alternative way of expressing that same idea. So when someone tells you no sweat, it means it's not going to be an issue. It's not going to be a problem. It's going to be a piece of cake, right? So what I really want you to take away from this expression is that depending on the context, it can take on a new meaning. You can't make it? No sweat. It's not a big deal. No problem. You want me to write an essay in 2 hours? No sweat. I can do it. It'll be easy. It's a piece of cake. So we use this expression in situations where we're trying to reassure someone that everything's going to be okay. Like, we can get something done. It's going to happen. Like, they don't have to worry. You're basically just trying to reassure them. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and if there are any American English idioms, expressions, or phrasal verbs that you'd like to learn, be sure to write them in the comments. And give us a thumbs up if you like the video. See you next time.